if you're under 13, this video is not for you. Turn off the video right now and come back next week. Okay? Bye-bye! Hello everyone, welcome back to Shuo Chinese, 说说中文. I'm Shuo, a native Chinese speaking teacher living in Bangkok, Thailand. Today I'm going to talk you through 5 commonly used words that have sexual innuendo. All these words are not super inappropriate. Chinese people do say them a lot, especially between young generations. If you want to make fun of your friends, you can use those words also. But if you're under 13, this video is not for you. Turn off the video right now and come back next week. Okay? Bye-bye! For you guys who are more than 13, these 5 words are the words that you are familiar with if you have learned Chinese for, let's say, 2 months. But you want to know the other meaning which is different from what you have learned from your textbook or different from what it looks like. Your textbook won't teach you this. So buckle up, let's get it started. Let's kick things off with the first word, 老司机. Oh, I know this word. 老 means old. 司机 means driver. So 老司机 is an old driver. And I was driving since I was 16. So I am a 老司机. This song's name is 老司机带带我. Old driver, give me a ride. It is made by Yi people, an ethnic group from Yunnan province of China. The music video is about the driver and 2 girls still flirting with each other, and the lyrics contains many sexual innuendos. Today, Chinese people are using 老司机 to refer to someone who have plenty of knowledge about pornography or have many sexual experiences, like Barney Stinson in How I Met Your Mother. What up? So next time, if you meet a DD driver who have 30 or 40 driving experience, don't say, 你是一个老司机了. On the other hand, you can make fun of your friends by saying, 这个女的约我出去，我好紧张。我相信你一定没问题，你是一个老司机了。The second word is 开车. This one is easy to be understood then. 开车 to drive, but who has an excellent driving skill? 老司机, of course. So 开车 can also mean to tell dirty jokes or to have improper contents. For example, 他一喝了酒就喜欢开车。他一喝了酒就喜欢开车。这个电影有不少开车的内容。这个电影有不少开车的内容。Number 3, 约. You may have learned that 约 means to make an appointment with someone or ask somebody out, like 这个星期六我约了朋友。这个星期六我约了朋友。我想约他出去。我想约他出去。But be careful if you want to say 约吗, just 2 characters. To explain this word, I may have to 开车 for a little bit. Let's first see this. A cannon, which in Chinese is 炮. Think about the sound that the cannon makes, and you will understand what this word implies. And this word means to make an appointment of one-night stand or hook up with someone. If you say 约吗, it is an indirect way to say, do you want to have a one-night stand? However, between close friends and you have a clear context, it's okay to say 约吗. For example, 我看下个月去日本的机票很便宜耶，约吗约吗? So, be careful when you're using 约吗 independently or without any context, unless you intend to do that. Number 4, 吃豆腐. Long, long time ago, there was a girl selling tofu. Her tofu was really tasty, and most importantly, this girl was super attractive. So many people went to buy her tofu just for seeing her face and got the chance to talk to her. And there was one day, a young man was on his way buying tofu, and he ran into his friends. 你去哪里呀？我饿了，我想去买豆腐，吃豆腐。啊，这么巧，我也想吃豆腐，我们一起去吧。Today, Chinese people using 吃豆腐 to mean fill somebody up or to touch someone sexually, especially someone you don't know, for your own excitement. So next time, if your Chinese friend want to prank you by asking 你喜欢吃豆腐吗？你喜欢吃豆腐吗？ Don't say 我很喜欢吃豆腐，豆腐很好吃。You can answer them like this. 我不喜欢吃豆腐。你不是老司机吗？你喜欢吃豆腐吧？ Number 5. 打飞机。打飞机 means to masturbate, but only for men. 打 literally means to punch, to beat, but in this case, 打 means to shoot. Back to the time of war, people are using gun to shoot airplane. But now you are shooting the airplane using you know what. So actually I was a little bit concerned because I'm not quite sure whether I can say masturbate in my video. Because you know that Chinese media is a little bit conservative. So none of those kinds of words can be said on screen. So I searched this word on YouTube. I was really surprised by what I saw and I felt so relieved. So I think it's okay to say this word on screen, maybe. But again, all of those words are not super inappropriate. Of course, if you are in a formal situation, it's not okay to say any of these words. Like you cannot say one night stand in a meeting, right? But if you're with your friends, it's totally okay for you to use those words. It's kind of fun rather than impolite or inappropriate. Alright, so these are all the content of today's video. I hope you like this video. If you don't like this video, you can also leave a comment down below to let me know what you're thinking about it. I'm Shuo from Shuo Zhongwen. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my future videos. I will see you in my next video. 再见。